Major rivers in the state are flowing above danger level due to heavy rains in the past few days. Under construction bridge at Sawongbong above Iril River swept away. Kokomi warns the Indian government of intense agitations against any threat to the territorial integrity and administrative unity of Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. And MPCC concerns over security of the state by culmination of Indo-Naga peace talk as extra paramilitary forces are being deployed in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangma Monica with the latest news updates. The under construction bridge at Sawongbong Tongkhong above Iril River in Imphal East District, an important bridge which was constructed to connect Imphal and Ukhrul Road, was swept away by rising water level of Iril River around 11 a.m. today. The construction of the bridge started on June 3, 2015 after a foundation stone laying ceremony by the then Works Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar. The bridge, with a length of 64 meters and breadth of 12.9 meters, started construction with an estimate worth of 14.4 crore rupees and was supposed to be complete by 2018. However, it is unfortunate that the construction is still incomplete till date. The iron rods fixed above the bridge were carried away by the rising water level of Iril River due to heavy rainfall in the past couple days. Local residents stated that the bridge is one significant bridge which will connect Imphal and Ukhrul. The old bridge, which is being used at the moment, is in a deplorable condition and can collapse any moment. Despite repeated pleas by the local residents to look into the matter, the relevant authorities have failed to look into the matter.
Mamangda club madagi maira baby mayam punna tawraga thongje loisanbiyo haidana haigrabani ado hauji phawda kaimbo loisanbibagi kainosi udre moina hapuji puje sintue hadungare sing jau handaki laibo phabamna ikang thokibagi jau yam toina laktabagi ungphabane ba thong sari ba chini ba kangbusina nomta laaga kaimamta yengsanbirade kanana tawdino kari tawdino habisi ko khangjadre sigi line sida puri ba lambi mayam ji sigi miyam mayam ji ngo thongje ama hanagi amanbaji matam loirena semine ba sigi thongje ado asina mu yarata daragade khoje kadaidano chakkadorise hojo
kuide sahi khaniyane moina loisanena tharakpati sahi ahumdangi tharakpa matam ado henmati heleba yang.
The water level of Imphal River has risen above danger level due to heavy rainfall in the valley areas of the state in the last couple of days. The retaining wall of Singjamai Wangma Khetri Lekai in Imphal East have been damaged. Impact News also came across cracked and collapsed walls of the newly constructed retaining wall near the primary school of Singjamai Wangma Khetri Lekai. The crag areas of the retaining walls have also started to crumble down due to rising water levels. Above this, a crematorium near the retaining wall has also emerged under the water. Local localities says that the situation have worsened since yesterday.
Torban akhoi longnong khongban lasi asugui matik phatre phibam masi thaum phadriba lentring wala si akhoi hana lejeram ba lairai jaga dagi putarumu ki area si akhoi lairai dagi lapthokre ngasi ninghai ba si tamna tamna sum henjale saw sina maikei somda awaba tagadra akhoi awaba mayam wakhal si da phauji hauji oiriba phibam masi da lepak thaduna chembi gadra kamai tawgada chembi gadagi haibadu mari leinaba bibhag singna ming changningi.
Two villages in Ziribam district are flooded due to the overflowing of Ziri River by the heavy rainfall in the past couple days. Many of the houses and paddy fields at Kamranga village and Lengang Pokpi of the district are engulfed by water. People are facing major inconveniences as 30 houses in Puchoitub in Kamranga village, mainly inhabited by Muslims, are underwater. Police personnel of Ziribam district helped people in shifting their household materials towards a safer area. More than 3 houses and agricultural fields in Lengang Pokpi are also flooded. Farmers of the district expressed apprehension over flooding of the paddy fields. Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, warned the Indian government of intense agitations against any threat to the territorial integrity and administrative unity of Manipur by the culmination of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks. The committee asserted that arrangements are all set to carry out public protest to fight for the integrity of Manipur at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi on October 30. Speaking to media at Kwakaithel Bazaar today, Kokomi convener Sunil Karam says that Kokomi representatives in Delhi are all set to submit a memorandum to the centre leaders. He urged the people of the state to stay alert on the possible finalization of the agreement. Speaking at the MIT, Kokomi Assistant Coordinator Longjam Ratan Kumar urged the 60 MLAs of the state to submit their firm resolutions against any threat to Manipur's territorial integrity at the central government.
Kashmir da Article 370 scrap tawgriba adumai tawdana Manipur du nampu hapuda tawruni haibagi wakhalol amagi wakhalon da Manipur da aikogi Prime Minister 2017 da yanakiba stakeholder tanani haibasu numit mangani da yaur ngairabasida stakeholder tanadre stakeholder tanani haibagi wafam sima aikoi udre aikoi ne section phirep lawra kanda tang kuthra ka mathoisi bogi manung sida aikoi Manipur da leibiriba section kodim ta yawiriba intellectuals in academia chancing adi kanglo phurup naidana rajniti opposition ruling khaidana Manipur kanana bo hona matamda aikogi nation first second party haiba Sigi wapam si thamakana Kokomina Manipur miyam ki damangta leplaga tunglam chat ama semna damangta koi honagani
Manipur da leibiri ba mipung khuding makta khoi na haijaningi na akhoi Kokomina laukthok jari ba khongjang jing je changjan biu akhoi na laukthok jari ba khongjang sidagi hena phajaba leiminari ba phurup kanglup singsi da kairoi daba adugumba khongjang leiraga su tawbiu miyam khuding muna saruk ya biu akhoi gi khongjang gi momentum se kalliba makhai government of India gi tasin nadraba mana
Taking part in the MIT, Assistant Coordinator, Media Cell of Kokomi, Jitendra Ningumbam declared that various women folks of the state will carry out a mass public rally from New Chekon against disintegration of Manipur by the finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks and submit a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren tomorrow. Speaking to media, Kokomi Assistant Coordinator PH Nando Luang urged the public to refrain from spreading any misleading statements which may create communal riots on social media.
Manipur sida khunda laita duna leiriba mi khakta natna aikoi gi choyai duna leiraba Assam da leiraba Tripura da leiraba Bangladesh da leiraba Myanmar da leiraba aduga India gi wang da leiraba aikoi gi Manipuri singna hairib issue sigi matang da aikoi gi mage angam mathak da malem gi lebak sing da sanduaga aikoi gi Manipur se kai bi yade aikoi gi puari nujum duna la ba aikoi kano se kahen bi gunu haiba potu magi kano sing da angam level da tohon bugi apam da
aduga kana gumresu karigumba paw ma phangbada ningthina khandadana ningthina yingkhenba tawdana hekta khoirang khoichauna ba sawgatpa amadi kanglupki oiba wafam sagatpi genu lamdam sida lemineba phuruk pudimak yamna english chikna pungna himinasi laiba wafam pudimak na daga thokdo pudimak aikoi yam haisingna thengnaminasi machidaida government of India na pamliba natu oidaba wafam kaya thamjallaga aikoi lamdam sida chahi kya gi mamangdagi khunda laita minada leriba phuruk masingi marakta nungsi janhandanaba khana chainaba thoknaba tawriba thawrang ado madu mai pakhidanaba koi punamak honaminasi.
According to Impact News reliable sources, the centre has started to deploy paramilitary forces in Manipur as a part of the security measures following possible culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talk, as expressed by interlocutor R.N. Rabi. As per a statement by one of the leaders of the state government, it is said that the paramilitary force were just returning from their election duty and there is no overflow of extra forces in the state and people need not worry about it. However, the authenticity of the news is yet to be known. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee expressed concern over security of the state by culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks as extra paramilitary forces are being deployed in the state. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Congress Bhavan, BT wrote today, former Chief Minister cum Congress Party leader Okram Ibobi said that all political party delegation team earlier scheduled to visit Delhi has cancelled due to the failure to get appointment to meet the central leaders. He expressed negligence regarding the matter by the state government as the team should have stationed at Delhi. Maintaining that the old political party delegations should have carried out protest demonstrations if necessary, he asserted that the team should have apprised the central government and even pressurized them if the situation demands. Expressing discontentment over the initiatives by the BJP-led government in the state, Okram Ibobi asserted that the Congress party supports peaceful conclusion of the Indo-Naga peace talk. Stating that the Congress party is not against the central government providing fund to develop culture, custom and tradition of a community, he appealed to provide the funds through the state government. Okram Ibobi further added that firstly, MPCC leaders will submit a memorandum to the governor of Manipur addressing to the Indian Prime Minister and Home Minister. He also mentioned that necessary arrangements are all set for further steps.
Lady state government sigi seriousness chaluraga honorable prime minister na kadawla ino haina thi nga kadra home minister na thi nga kadra na ki na satrabra na khoi di wakhan ji zat mo khoi khala abne ba laipak ki issue lak pasidadi aidi kana su kiningai leitabra na khalle state ki apun ba saktam se disintegrate torok pa targadi akhoi sibho akhoi stand lei haibase hana su haibiram bai yai khoi matam charing aida hai hodragadi thengna hodragadi masi hayeng kari thorkani haibase khoi tamba ngamde congress party na amuka su hanna appeal taujari paliba government sida sahi magi haiba tare yamna tangna thokpa ningon singidi masigi numit sing ngai jena leibani adubo ai ningon sing imai ben sing sina masidadi hena concern noi akhoi ningon chakoba daka leite mathang sahi da kor su yai numit tu natraga su numit nonini sontharaga kaur su yai aduna saja noi state si kai ba yade ko haibasi aidi thodona aidi waro roena khalleba.
Attending the press meet, MPCC President Moirang Themo Kendra maintained that the old political party delegation team earlier scheduled to visit Delhi to submit a memorandum assembled by a drafting committee including representatives of the Congress party have cancelled their visit. He expressed disappointment over the BJP-led government for failing to address the apprehensions causing the people of the state with the possible finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks. He asserted that the public are fully aware of the declaration made by Indo-Naga peace talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi, who stated that the peace talks will be finalized by the end of this month. He mentioned that the state government have issued alarming orders and stationed additional security forces in the state. The MPCC president inquired the BJP-led government of the state for their failure to obtain approval from an all political party delegation met from the central government.
Nungsa thiru nu kesu toroi habagi mong danga sigi paper sing da sukoi thengna jare koko mina Manipur gi governor da piba memorandum chief minister da piba memorandum governor na pirakpa assurance honorable chief minister na pibirakpa assurance amarom da na yam alarming oiba mong da leiriba deputy commissioner sing na makhal gi chirol tholakpa cheng leisalu da rims da doctor sing 24/7 legedabani back and call da legedabani se okhul gi deputy commissioner na tholakpa numitra mangani gi rasan thamjalo ekhoi Nagaland gi di ujagre mamang da ani gi thamu haibana singba madoi khoi thoina khalude dunga sigi Manipuri context yorokpa sadi padi yamna mi paiba ma haujaba kari aruba leibagino paliba center da paliba sarkar sisu BJP na lusingba sarkar ni state sida BJP na lusingba sarkar ni suk lurba tanja sida kari gi damakta da mase appointment loba ngamdabano kari gi damakta yei thorokpano.
All Manipur Muslim Coordinating Committee (AMUCOG) had led various Meitei Pangal organizations in submitting a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane urging not to affect the territorial integrity of Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talk. Speaking to media, AMUCOG President S.M. Jalal says that Chief Minister has repeatedly apprised the central leaders not to hurt the sentiments of the people of the state. He maintained that Nongthombam Birane assured that the centre will hold discussions with the stakeholders of the state before finalizing the agreement. S.M. Jalal warned of intense and various democratic agitations if the central government and authorities concerned fails to pay heed to their demands.
Territorial boundary, territorial integrity kaibagi wafam laba aduga anisubada Manipur da akhoi ethnic community singi miyeng da akhoi administrative structure sembagi territorial council na singba sembagi adugumba khongthang lakpa taragadi maduna Manipur da akhoi maihoron dagi hauna ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ
9 organizations of Khangabog held a public alert meet under the banner of Kokomi at Lamlong Bazaar in Thoubal district today against threats to the territorial integrity of Manipur by the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks. Taking part in the meet, Pradhan nominee of Khangabog Part 3 Gram Panchayat M. Manglimja asserted that the residents of Khangabog will extend full solidarity to all the initiatives of Kokomi against any threat to the interest and territorial integrity of Manipur. Attendees chanted various slogans demanding to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur at the meet. Members of Apunba Manipur Huyen Lalong Lob also held a public alert meet under the initiative of Kokomi at NYK Community Hall in Wangkai Kaithela Sangbi today against threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur with the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. Attendees resolved to stand firm in unity against any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur at the meet. Maira Paibis of Singjamai Mayeng Laikai also carried out a public alert meet at the locality today. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on people visiting Khwaramban market to buy goods for Ningol Chakoba festival. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. People thronged at Khwaramban market to buy goods for Ningol Chakoba festival, one of the biggest festival of the Meitei community, held on the second day of Yangai as per Meitei lunar calendar. There were traffic snarls in and around Khwaramban Bazaar area and street vendors on the footpath of the market selling their goods amidst the crowded area. Imphal West Police personnel kept strict vigil in the area for the safety of public and did not allow vehicles to enter the jam-packed market. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah has conveyed her heartiest greetings to the people of the state on the auspicious occasion of Diwali festival. In her greetings, the governor said that Diwali, the festival of lights, is being celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety by the Hindus across the country. She wished that the festival brings victory of good over evil and underscores the spirit of harmony and friendship amongst communities. Dr. Najma Abdullah urged everyone to resolve to make the festival a harbinger of peace and harmony in the state by observing the day in its true spirit. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain has greeted the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Diwali, the festival of lights.
Hindu drama satpasing Diwali festival na lakpasida Manipur ki miyam amadi Bharat ki miyam da Diwali ki yakpe paujel bijari loinana masigi Diwali na piriba mangal siga loinana mamna lairamba bhap tanadana lairamba jati masel ki marakta lairamba bhap tanada basing punamak samthokko oidana ingna sikna leiba Bharat ingna singna leiba Manipur ohenbiba oirasnu haidana isor partner tawjari.
Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan has also greeted the people of Manipur on the festive occasion of Diwali.
Chai gudingi Manipura pangtoktung lakpa Diwali numit asida hogi Manipur sinba tungna mai thandana isor buning jabu numini haibu numit asiga iroinana handaki kumsima Diwali na lakpa loinana shanti hoina ingna palasanu haina wish tawjari. Chai gudingi
Minister Thongam Beswajit and Minister Thongnawsam Shyam Kumar greeted the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Diwali, the Festival of Lights. The ministers wished for the festival to wipe away jealousy, inequality and bring contentment and development. General Secretary of Shiv Sena Yuva Sena Manipur State Unit and Jogesh in a press release greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Diwali, the Festival of Lights. The unit also greeted people on the joyous festival of Ningol Chakoba. Kelen Thokjom Trust Manipur observed the 59th birth anniversary of former senior correspondent of Telegraph newspaper, late journalist Kelen Thokjom, who took a pivotal role in the journalism movement of the state today. The IPR Director Haisnam Balkrishna, Amju President Bijoy Kakching Tabam, President of Editors Guild Manipur Khogendra Khomdram, Professor of Manipur University Irengbam Arun and many journalists paid floral tributes to the portrait of the late journalist in the event held at Manipur Press Club. The trust also declared the annual Media Fellowship Program for the journalists of the state on the occasion. Women journalist of Imphal Free Press, Baby Shrine, was awarded the fellowship for 2019-20. Speaking at the event, the IPR Director Haisnam Balkrishna says that the event was held in remembrance of Kelen Thokjom for all his contributions for the state. He commended the late journalist for all his notable works in the journalism of the state. He lauded the trust for initiating the Media Fellowship Program for the journalists of the state. The director urged the journalists to write good and effective articles and carry out research for the benefit and welfare of the society. Senior journalists at the event also extolled Kelen Thokjom for all his role and contributions in the field of journalism.
Research work ki mong da tawraga pachaba accurate oiba objective oiba ni na pa da tung adoba researcher na su the student academicians na su rely to ya ba pacha am ku thok ba ngamba ki thak ta article have da na tragana jai fellowship tu da ki outcome do madu thak tu yang pa khaning have da tung da su Kelen Thokjom Trust Manipur na lep ta na ona bir ba galoi na hena wangba research work duga matam gi yamna koi gi mankind na miyoi bas punai na thenari ba amati Manipur sa gi samasina mayuk na riba problems issues punam se masi phachana putho ga even solution ba pi ba ngam ba quick fix solution ba pi ba ngam ba otse na to haningi
6 student organizations, namely All Manipur Students Union AMSU, Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur DESAM, Manipur Students Federation MSF, Kanglei Park Students Association KSA, Students Union of Kanglei Park SUK and Apunba Irepaki Mahiroi Singpang Lob AIMS appealed for a fair and smooth conduction of the upcoming college student unions election for academic session 2019-20 on November 8. Speaking to media at MSF office in Kwakaithel Thongnawsam Lekai today, DESAM Vice President N. Edison said that various issues and conflicts have occurred among the college students during the elections. He urged the students for their cooperation in conducting a smooth election this year and in the near future. Edison further appealed to the students to hold election in a democratic manner.
Mahairoisingi election campaign to matamda khana chainaba sigumba pamdaba thodokingse yauhandana asengba mahairoisingi luchingbasinse khallaga tungi lakadoriba mahairoi khunaida amadi lebak miyamda tamjaningai oiba aduguma makhalgi election si ohanbiu haidana mahairo luptaruk ngi maikai appeal duma tawjabane aduga loinana kariguma matamda sigumba pamdaba thodokingse thorakpa taragadi yarigai thuna makhataba wathok chawthohandabida leiriba mahairoi luptaruksina matam chana ipau phaunaraga thoiba pamdaba thodokingdo losenanabodo honaba matamda mahairoisingna mateng pangbiu haibagi appeal duma tawjabane
Khanasena yaudaba leader am khanbada candidate singdo niyom chumna amadi mahiro singna kadai bok thodang logani habagi mamai chumna bagi pandamda Manipur da leiriba mahir loop sing punna khusam naraga election sing asida pamdaba thodok thokpa sing natraga free and fair da tawba yanabagi processing da koina changchanabagi punna punjaraga fair lojabani.
A team of Kakching District Commando apprehended an individual in possession of drugs from Kunuta Chingjin in Sorat yesterday. The miscreant is 23-year-old Richard Sesuraj, son of Robert Kennedy from Prem Nagar Ward No. 4 in Moreh. The team seized 15.18 kg of crystal methamphetamine, also known as ice drug, and a mobile phone handset from him. He was handed over to Kakching police station for necessary investigations. Manipur Police Training College MPTC held an awareness program on ill effects of consumption or abuse of narcotics, drugs, psychotropic substances, alcohol at Manipur Police Training College in Pangai today. Assistant Director of MPTC A.K. Jhalajit was the coordinator of the event. NAB SP W. Basu stressed on the topic at the event. Altogether, 783 MPTC trainees took part in the event. Today's seminar on cohesive relation among the mosaic ethnic communities of Kanglei Park kicked off at Lamyan Basang Lane Palace compound today. The League of the Fourth World People Kanglei Park organized the seminar in view of the 13th Indigenous Brothers Myth 2019. Speaking at the event, Health Minister Lampolapam Jayantikumar urged people to set aside religious differences and live with unity and harmony. Professor Siddhananda was the moderator of the event.
Christian chali midun pirin bakli blood to only to the Christians speak of ne ai isha haibra natagana akhogi Muslim akhogi oiri ban badan piri bana tin chan piri bakli to akhoi Muslim kamu gaktam pigi do ne haibra natagan madu to an kapu bagan iru chang da bala kari no se ko hang darkar le but it is cause for the humanity do madu da mi be samaj mi kanan na bagini an pi makli I ne ba aduna iduna piri iduna kamata akoi aduni haibag distinguish to di akoi amatune miyoibani haibasi adu taebu.
Kamakhya Pamton College in Hyangthang, Imphal West District held its 38th Foundation Day celebration at the auditorium hall of the college today. President of the governing body of the college, Professor M. Iboton, Principal of the college, Dr. S. Aruna, and many people took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Director of Directorate of Education U. L. Iboyaima stressed the need for the students to engage in co-curricular activities above regularly attending classes to become a successful student. Students of the college who topped in various subjects in the 6th semester examination conducted by Manipur University were also felicitated on the occasion. Nomai Khong Progressive Youth Club NPYC Chana along with Anoba Ashagi Mangal Chana held a free health camp on the theme Prevention is Better Than Cure at Chana today. Lamyanba Healthcare and Ambulance Services in Porompat, Imphal East District sponsored the camp. Residents of the area were checked up for ENT-related diseases at the camp. Headmaster and teachers of Moising Primary School in Thobal District distributed stationery items to the students of the school today. The items were distributed to encourage and motivate the students. Before we end, a quick look at headlines once again. Major rivers in the state are flowing over danger level due to heavy rain in the past few days. Under construction bridge at Sawongbung above Iril River swept away. Kokomi warns the Indian government of intense agitations against any threat to the territorial integrity and administrative unity of Manipur by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks. And MPCC concerns over security of the state by culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks as extra paramilitary forces are being deployed in the state.